All right, dividing. It's multiplying. Okay, and if you're, I don't know if you guys, I think you guys have seen this before. When you divide two fractions, you change it into multiplication and flip the second. Maybe you guys had like a rhymes or something. Skip, flip, multiply. I don't know. I hate those things, honestly. All right, I don't know. Skip, flip, multiply, skip and flip, whatever. Keep, change, flip. All right, whatever. All right, if you remember something, remember it. I'm not going to show you one. I hate those things. Multiply, change it to multiplication. Flip the second fraction. That's how we divide two fractions. Change the operation to multiplication, flip the second. The first one doesn't change at all. Oh, but hold on. We did this 2 days ago, I think on Monday. Anybody remember y minus 3 all squared? How many of them are there? Two. So I want you to rewrite both of them. All right, write both of them. Y minus 3 times itself. Y minus 3. Write both of them. Over y squared minus 9. There you go. All right. Now, this is what we did yesterday. Let's go. I want to fly now. Name something you can, tell me something you can factor up here. 19. Lauren, welcome back. Anything you can factor up here? Which one? Where can I take a 3 from? Okay, there you go. Good. Take a GCF out. One more you can factor up here. One more. Let's go. 2, 0. Sarah, hello.
Oh, the y2 minus 9 can be y minus 3 and y plus
2. Y2?
Yeah. Y to the second.
Use your big girl words. Thank you. Y to the second or y squared. Thank you. Yep. Y plus 3. Y minus 3. Good work. And then everything else is already done. There you go. All right, go ahead. What do you want to cross out? I'm trying to go fast so you guys have time to work. This doesn't help at all, huh? Just clicking a button. There we go. Sarah, 17. Okay, you want to just keep going for me? No, hold on. Let me do it. Y minus 3. It could be any of these up here. One at a time, please. One of each. Go ahead. Another y minus 3. Yep, go ahead. Y plus 3. All right. Now let's talk, because I know some of you are going to write down the answers 3. I crossed out everything on top. What's still left on top? A 1. Don't forget that. A 1. And what's in the denominator? 3. 1/3. Done. Questions there. I'm going to skip over 2. You're going to do that on your own. Everyone all right on number 1? Okay, let's go to number 3 now. Number 3. Ooh, we do not like the way that looks, huh? That looks very, very intimidating. But watch! This bar right here, that fraction bar, is just another way of writing what symbol? That's all that is the division symbol. That's it. So watch. If you want to rewrite it, here you go. 15, x to the 4th, y to the 15th, over 25, xyz. Look, divided by. That's all that is. It's a different way of writing it. 10x to the 3rd, y squared over 30xz. That's all that is. And now, keep the first, change it to multiplication, flip the second. Here we go. Times, flip. And we're on our way now. So that's all that is. It's a little fancy division sign. Can I factor anything up here? No, this is like the homework question Mike asked me about. There's nothing to factor. Now, if you think you can handle it, go ahead and start crossing out. I'm not a big fan of that. Again, I rather, hey, let's take this first fraction, reduce it ourselves. (15/25). Go right to the calcs if you have to. Get a fraction template up. 15/25 reduces down to 3/5. X's, how many am I left with? Where am I? Let's just keep rolling. I don't need to call on people. Third where? On top. How about the Y's? Y to the 14th on top. How about the Z's? And a Z on the bottom. Can't cross anything out. Good. Let's keep going. Now let's reduce this fraction. 30/10. 3. Yep. You guys want me to put the 1 on the bottom? Is it okay if I don't, or you want me to?
You good?
I'm good. Thanks. X's.
X squared on the bottom.
Y's.
Y squared on the bottom.
Nothing to cross out. And Z's.
Z on top.
And nothing to cross out there. Everyone all right? Going too fast? Okay, now cross out tops and bottoms now. See what you can get rid of. Anybody see anything I could cross out?
Z's.
Z's are gone. Yep, 1 Z on the bottom, 1 Z on top. They're gone.
Y squared.
Y squared. Yep, where am I left with though?
Y to the 12th.
Y to the 12th, yep.
X's.
And the X's, definitely. And I'm left with X on top. All right. Now that I'm thinking about this, hey, you want to bring in colored pencils to do a problem like this? Hey, feel free. It helps you out. All right, let's see what we're left with. On top, what do we got on top? As far as the numbers go, I'll do variables next. 3 times 3, 9. How many X's?
1.
1 X and
Y to the 12th.
12 Y's. And hey, look at us on the bottom, only left with a 5 spot. Good job. Anything I can answer there? Because I think I'm going to do one more with you, and that's it. And that'll be number 4. Okay, so I see division, change it to multiplication, flip the second. Make sure we flip the second, don't forget about it. All right, we've done a problem like this before. How do I handle 2x all squared with the squares on the outside of parentheses? You can write it twice. I only like to write the ones twice that have addition and subtraction in it. Here, when there is no addition and subtraction, it's just strictly multiplication. Remember, we're going to take the 2 and apply it to both. So 2x all squared. What do you end up with there if you take this 2 squared and x squared? 4x squared over. Do the same thing here. Not 9. Don't give me 9. That's 3 to the third. 27. Y to the third. Hey, please everybody stop and look at the difference between number 4 and number 1. Okay, number 1 had y minus 3 minus y minus 3 all squared. I rewrite it twice. There's no minus or plus inside that parenthesis, so I apply the exponent. Do I have to do it here too?
No.
What's missing here? Yeah, there's no parentheses. Leave it the heck alone. All right, let's go. Go ahead. How you guys going to approach this one? Just cross off probably, because you can't reduce anything. Each fraction anyway. X squareds are gone, right? Look at you guys. X squareds are gone. All right, what happened there? Oh, great. Okay, let's try that again. X squareds are gone. So are the
Y.
y to the thirds. If you want to just rewrite it now, go ahead. If you want to reduce the numbers right now yourself, you can. I'm going to rewrite it. What's left on top?
12.
4 times 3 is 12. 27 times 2, 54. I already noticed both of them are even, so you might want to go to the calc and reduce it. I don't know if there's a bigger number than 2, but I don't care because my calculator does the work for me.
2/9.
2/9. Looks like 6. There we go. All right, guys. You're gonna have to difference of two perfect squares, GCF. I'm looking at this right now. Number 7, probably gonna have to group as well. All right, I need time. I can't just stand up here. All right, I need time for you guys to try to do this on your own. But hey, please raise your hand. Hey, can you help me factor this? What's the deal with this? All right, I will come around and help you, but I just can't stand up here and write down and write down and write down. All right, I got to make sure you guys know what the heck is going on. So you guys have number 2, 5, 6, 7. All right, 2, 5, 6, 7. I'll write the answers up here on the board. And I'll just write final answers. I won't put any of my work with it. If you see division, change it to multiplication and flip.
Mr. Carlino,
Yep,
I have a question.
sure, go ahead.
How would you factor the top right one on 5?
Top right. And what do you always look for first?
GCF.
Take it out, and then you should be able to factor what's left. All right, because you'll have 3 terms where the A value or the number out in front's 1.
Thank you.
Got it. Put them back up here in a second.